everyone, hope you are all well. So glad to have you back here. So in today's video I wanted to show you my most relied method to plant herbs, especially radishes. So I'm starting off with planting radish seeds in egg cartons in individual seeds, and this way I rely on is super fast, very easy, and usually they take about 1 or 2 days to completely sprout and emerge. And what I do to speed up the process is to put them in egg cartons, put them indoors as much as possible, and this method works for any herb, but mostly radishes are best because they take much more faster to sprout, whilst the other ones such as parsley, basil, coriander and spinach take much more longer, probably a week or so. So one of the best things that I do is I plant them in egg cartons, then I put them indoors as much as possible just for the first few days up until they emerge, and then after that, depending on the weather, I transfer them to the garden bed in the balcony. So I'll show you that. And also one of the best ways that I use to help them sprout quicker and better is to use a water spray bottle about 2 to 3 times a day, if not more. Frequently, just depending on the weather indoors as well. I spray the egg cartons with the water spray bottle, and this helps them emerge much more faster and very healthy as well. As you can see, mashallah, so these are ready to be transferred to the garden bed. I hope you give this method a try. Also, I'd love to hear from you if you've tried other methods that have worked best. We have a small space for gardening, for planting. I will do a balcony tour very shortly, inshallah, hopefully after Eid. Let me know if you're interested in that, and let's get started planting. So here are the planted radishes right next to the spinach and in between the wild strawberries. Let's hope, inshallah, they'll be able to survive and thrive. These other radishes have been planted about a week ago, and they were the size of the ones we just planted, these little mini ones. And also this radish has been planted today as well from the egg cartons. Mashallah, these radishes are ready to harvest. These have been planted about 3 weeks ago, 3.5 weeks ago. You can see right here we have 2 types of radishes planted. This is the long beetroot kind of radish, not really sure of the name, but the other one is more of the smaller radish, the smaller crunchier radishes. So we'll see, inshallah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're interested in a balcony gardening tour, inshallah. I'll be able to do that so shortly after Eid. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Take care, and bye-bye.